Okay, guys, today is all about researching your first 30 videos. Okay, so if you're just beginning at YouTube, this is the best way to really bolster, your first 30 and give your first 30 videos your best opportunity. Now, the best way I have found to do that is to, first of all, know your niche, know that it's a niche that you can maintain and continue to do. Um, for years to come, whether that's a video a week or a video every 2 weeks or a video a month. Just make sure that the niche that you're in is something that you're passionate about, that you can wake up every day and be like, yeah, I'm doing what I love. And that's really important because you will burn out and you will feel boxed in if you choose the wrong niche. Now, if it's for your business, then that's different. That kind of really narrows the field for you. If it's entertainment, even though entertainment is a hard thing to do on YouTube in general, um, you better have personality, that's for sure. Okay. So for today's purpose, because my channel is about starting YouTube for beginners and the journey from, you know, 1,000 subs to 4,000 watch hours, right? Monetization as it is, right? Okay, well, I want to give everyone starting their best shot at success. So, we're going to research competitors and we're going to try to emulate high performing videos that they have done. Now, this is just you making a list and researching, and watching each video that you want to emulate. And that's the first portion of understanding how you're going to try to do it differently and how you're going to try to put your own spin on things. But this is a good way to get you started, and it will really, really, really give you an edge. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up a Word document, and then we're going to go right into YouTube, and we're going to start researching our first 30 video idea concepts. And these are already based on things that have worked, right? So, realistically, you should have some initial success right off the hop. Okay, so I'm going to go to screen share in just a second here, but first, all right, let's hit it. Okay, so right off the bat, I've opened up my YouTube and I've gone straight into the search bar, and you can see right there, I've typed in YouTube for beginners, right? Because that's my niche. It's just the easiest way for me to explain how I'm going to calculate, or it's not calculate, how I'm going to come up with my um, 30 topic ideas and video creation ideas. That's going to be my first initial roadmap to success. So here we are. Let's go. Enough talking about it. Be about it. Okay, so like I said, I've typed in YouTube for beginners, and now I'm going to scroll through and I'm going to look for videos that are like have a lot of views and in a short period of time is probably like your best, like 55K views 2 months ago. It's good. I'm not gonna say it's bad, because I mean that's better than anything that I've done. But uh, this there is better, right? Like this one, 389. Oh, but that's from 2 years ago. So like I said, you're gonna want to watch for high amount of views, short period of time, right? Okay, so um, a great a great YouTuber, Marcus Jones. He's got a lot of great information out there. Okay, so that's not how you spell the name. There it is. So I'm not going to try to recreate a 12-hour full course, but I would, however, like to go and see um, some of his shorter videos and see what he has to offer and what I can try to emulate. So basically, apply this same logic for yourself. And we're going to open up a Word document, and let's name this Word document, right? Let's name it First 30 Video Idea Roadmap. And what's nice about this is we can type in the titles, and then we can also copy the links and put them down there so that you have quicker access down the road, so that you know exactly if you want to go see the video that you're trying to emulate, right? You can go back and check it out again so that you can refresh your mind on how you want to try filming it and how you want to try editing it. Now, all of those other skills are also going to be found in other videos of mine. But for today, we're just talking about the research portion to get you started, get you a roadmap. It's all about the roadmap, right? So let's get in there. Let's go back to YouTube and let's see what Marcus Jones has here. He's got quite a good amount. So, how to grow a YouTube channel from 0 subs in 2025 complete. Well, for myself, that's exactly what I'm trying to do, right? So, that one has 863,000 views just over a year ago. I'd say that's not bad. I'd say that's pretty darn good, right? Something that I would like to try to emulate is a 27-minute video. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the title. I'm going to go back to my Word document and I'm going to copy the title. Okay. Now I'm going to go back. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the URL at the top, highlight it, copy it, go back and paste it there. Okay, so now you've got your first video idea and then you've got the URL so that you can watch it back, so you can try to emulate it later. And it's just as simple as that. Okay, so we're gonna look at that, and when you click on that, you're gonna be able to go to it. So that's perfect. Now we're gonna go to our next video idea. Now you could just go to the side here and scroll down because there's going to be videos that are very much on the same sort of category and sort of idea as the niche and the ideas that you're looking for. So this is just going to be a lot of tedious looking through and kind of figuring out the type of videos that you want to make. Like maybe you don't want to use your face at all, right? Maybe you just want to use your voice, or maybe you don't want to use any of that and you want to do it all using AI voice. Like you've got options there, right? Point is, you're going to have to figure out what works for you and how you want to, you got to figure out what form of creation is best for you. And that's basically as simple as that. So for the purposes of my channel, it's going to be all about for beginners. And so I'm going to go back YouTube for beginners, right? And let's go for the most recent 2026. Okay, great. Now we got a bunch here. 1 month ago, 239K views. So not bad at all. And this is from Think Media, another great source of YouTube information. Okay, so that's a great idea. We're going to click that. And then we're going to do the exact same thing as we've done before. We're going to highlight the title. We're going to go back to our Word document. We're going to copy it. And then we're going to go right back to it. And we're going to copy the URL. Bam. So you get the idea right there, right? It's as simple as that. And that way, you know, you've got... So finding your first 30 videos in this way is a tried and true way of going about starting the initial, like, what videos do I create first, right? So whatever your niche is or whatever your goals are for your channel, try to go find your competition. Also, go subscribe yourself to your competition as well, right? They're going to give you a lot of ideas and information on what you should be aiming for, and what's worked for them will most likely work for you. Of course, you have to learn all the skills, editing, and all that creative stuff that comes with it. So my channel is going to be little tips and tricks along the way to help edge you in that direction, and just hopefully give you a boost that you would not otherwise have. So I mean, this is a pretty straightforward initial process to get going.